In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to fix Discord not opening or stuck on loading screen. So let's get started. So first is that you want to open up your task manager by right-clicking on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. In here, you would want to find Discord because we would want to end all the processes that is Discord on the background so that we'll be able to proceed to the next solution. So click here on End Task. And then once you have ended the task, the next thing that you'd want to do is that you want to open up Discord again and see if the problem still persists. If the problem is still there, then you would need to end the process here on Task Manager again. So you should see Discord here again. And then you want to select that again and click on End Task. This time, we will now be proceeding into the next steps of solving this problem. So first is that you want to press the Windows key plus the R key on your keyboard, and it will now open up this Run app. And then from here, you want to type in temp. Click on OK. And from here, you want to select all of this. So in my case, I have a lot. So you want to select all of that and click on delete. After you have done that, you want to now close this folder. After that is that you want to do this next. Press the Windows plus R key again. And this time, we will be typing in %app_data%. And then press enter. Once you're here, you want to find the Discord folder. You want to right click and then delete. In my case, I'll not be deleting this because my Discord is running fine. But if you're having trouble, you would need to follow this and delete all of this folder. Don't worry, this will not harm your Discord at all. And then next is that you want to go here, click on app data or go back into this folder and go into local. This time, go for Discord folder again, which is this one, right click and then delete it again. After that is that you would want to now restart your PC and then launch Discord and see if you're still having that issue. And next is that if you're still having that issue, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go here into search and then we're going to now go for command prompt, which is this one. So you want to click here on run as administrator and click on yes. And then you should have this command prompt right here. And you just basically want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. After that, it will now successfully flush your DNS resolver cache. And then next is that you want to go for ipconfig /release. And then next is ipconfig again /renew. And then once you're done with that, next is that you want to go for netsh int IP reset and then hit enter. And after that is that you want to go for netsh winsock reset, this one, and then hit enter. And after that, you want to restart your computer and then launch Discord again and see if that solved your problem. If not, then it's probably that your date and time is incorrect. So you want to set it correctly by going into the search, and then you want to go for date and time settings and make sure that the automatically set time zone is turned on. Once you're done is that you want to close it out and launch Discord again and see if that solved your problem. If it didn't still solve your problem, the next thing or the last one would be to reinstall Discord by going here into the search bar and type in remove and then go into add or remove programs and just simply uninstall Discord from here, search apps, Discord, and then click on the uninstall and then uninstall right here. Once it's uninstalled, you want to now go into downloading Discord in discord.com and then go here into download and just install Discord into your PC, and that should work and fix your stuck on loading screen or whatever problem or error you are having on Discord when opening it up. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.